This is called Panicum notatum, I think. Any correct spelling I'll write. Panicum notatum, I think it's called. It's a very attractive grass. That is, I liked it very much. It is having like a reedy type of look like this, and stems are all green color stems, so it doesn't get that yellow woody look. It doesn't get, and then that the parts. So this is the joint has no hairs, and as you go up first leaf, there this some hairs can be seen here. In the leaf edge and all hairs are visible all round the leaf. Then in that leaf sheath also, sheath and blade and whole part is having the hairs. That is one more. And underneath the leaf, little bit rough thing is there in the edge also, and line like this. So that is another one. Then flower starts here, and then this is a ripened flower, opened flower, like a digitaria. It kind of opens up like finger kind of structure, and because of the seeds, round grain type of seeds, it is a panicum. That's what experts have identified. So seeds are having like a grain type of formation, and this panicum is one of the millet. So it is a millet family. Then this one, it's a perennial plant, it seems. So flowers can be seen here, small pink flowers. So this open flower is like this, like that. Then flower bud. This is a flower bud, I think. It is just beginning flower. Dew formation has happened. So some of these dry area plants, those hairs play a role in this dew formation. And my own hypothesis, I guess, is that this dew is an important element in keeping the plant moist, and in particular in water stressed places, this dew will make a difference. That's one of the reasons probably why a lot of them are hairs. Perhaps it somehow helps the dew to accumulate on the leaf surface, so that the leaf is moist, and that lines also probably helps. That line what you see, that might also have a role in this dew formation. So that is one thing. Flower bud also, and then so this is how it looks. Panicum notatum. So the whole plant, if you see, it's about 2 feet, 2.5 feet tall, and very attractive also. I like the fresh green look, and as a potted plant also, I think it will do well, this one. And now it is that is in November, the flowers are starting, whole bunch flowers can be seen. Flowers are not spectacular or anything, in fact quite inconspicuous, but the overall outlook of the grass itself is very attractive and nice. And then it is coming from one base clump. Here you can see from that That life will be in the root somewhere there. New shoots will emerge on the ground itself directly. In fact, we can see some new shoots here. This one, there, that one, that is a new shoot. This one. So it will take a nice clump formation. This is the first year of that I collected and started growing this. So I had to observe this for a few years more to know more about it. Meanwhile, in conclusion, I think we can say that it's attractive to look at least. Other uses and all I have to find out. So this is a Panicum notatum.